everyone. Have you ever traveled to Delhi Metro? Thousands of people travel in the metro daily for work and many other reasons. Kevin is one such commuter. He travels daily to his office located at Udyog Bhavan. He starts from Noida Sector 15 on the blue line and then changes to the yellow line so as to reach his office on time. He goes back home by taking the same route but in the reverse order. That is, he starts from Udyog Bhavan on the yellow line and travels back to his home in Noida Sector 15 on the blue line. Do you think Kevin travels the same distance to and fro from work? Yes, he travels the same distance to and fro from work. So we can conclude that reversing the order of commute does not change the distance travelled by Kevin. Let us check the same with the addition of integers. What is 10 plus 20? 30, right? And what about 20 plus 10? Obviously 30. Did you notice that the sum does not change on reversing the order of addition of integers? Would the sum remain the same for the other pairs of integers as well? Let us check with another example. Consider negative 50 and 30. What is negative 50 plus 30? You already know that the sum is minus 20. Now let's reverse the order and check the sum. What is 30 plus minus 50? Well, the sum is minus 20. So, the sum remains the same even if we reverse the order of integers. This property of numbers is called the commutative property of the addition of integers. We say that the addition is commutative for integers. In general, for any two integers a and b, we can say a plus b is equal to b plus a. Do you think it would be valid for the subtraction of integers too? Let us check with an example. Before that, try to solve the given subtraction problem. Consider the numbers minus 6 and 3. What is the difference between minus 6 and 3? Negative 9, right? Let us now reverse these numbers and check the difference of 3 and minus 6. As we know, the additive inverse of minus 6 is plus 6. Thus, 3 minus 6 can be written as 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9. Did the difference come out to be the same? We can see that minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. But 3 minus 6 is 9. Thus, we can say that the difference is not equal. Let us check with one more example. Consider the integers minus 4 and minus 8. Let us calculate the difference between minus 4 and minus 8 and minus 8 and minus 4. We know that negative of negative is positive by the concept of the additive inverse. Hence, the two differences thus obtained are 4 and minus 4. We see that the difference between two integers does not remain the same upon reversing the order of the integers. Hence, we conclude that subtraction of integers is not commutative for integers. Let's take a quick recap. Addition is commutative for integers. In general, for any two integers a and b, we can say a plus b is equal to b plus a. Subtraction is not commutative for integers. You can try verifying this property with some more examples. I shall see you in the next module to learn about the associative property. Bye-bye.